Welcome to Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I'm Scott Kleinschmidt.
And I'm Mike Heeney.
And today we're going to cover cutting a high horizontal cut in an overhead garage door. When faced with cutting an overhead door, we want to make sure that we cut as high as we possibly can, but it's important for us to maintain good body positioning so we don't put the saw in a bind when we're cutting across here. Mike's going to demonstrate how to get this saw up into a position to where he has his arm close to his body. He has good control of this saw, and he's going to be able to maintain this longer in the cut. If he was to just hold the saw up, what's going to happen is he's going to start getting tired and he's going to push a bad body position. So if we go back to our good body positioning here, you notice where Mike's cutting. Now, we have a saw set up in an outboard configuration. If you look at the outboard, this is one benefit of an outboard. If you carry one on your rig, Mike can go back to the same position, but with the saw on the outboard, he's actually gaining another 4 or 5 inches of cut in this saw. It's important to notice we take into consideration the key features of our saw. When Mike puts this back up on his shoulder to get himself into position to cut, you notice that the exhaust is pointed away from Mike. We want to make sure we have it like this because the last thing he wants to have happen is to burn himself off the hot exhaust as he's cutting across this door. Now Mike's going to demonstrate how to cut this. Okay, you've just seen how to properly maintain saw control and get yourself into a good body position and cut the door as high as you possibly can. I'm Scott Kleinschmidt.
I'm Mike Heeney.
Thanks for watching Fire Engineering Training Minutes.